Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Subtraction. Subject is Maths for class first. So objectives. Students will understand the concept of subtraction as taking away. Students will be able to solve simple subtraction problems using concrete objects. Teaching aids. You can use counters like button, bead, or small toys. Flashcards with subtraction problems, number card 1 to 10, storybook or picture illustrating subtraction scenarios. So, previous knowledge. To maintain the student's interest, teacher will show a picture and will ask the general questions with a short story. So you can show this, you can make this chart on the chart paper, or you can take A4 size sheet, make a penguin with a fish inside in the water, and then like first students will count, like you will narrate a story like there are 5 fish in the water and then penguin ate 2 fish. Like this you can narrate the story. Then ask the question, how many fish are there in the water? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish in the water. Then you will put these any 2 fish here, and then you will ask students that how many fish does penguin eat? So to eat, then you will ask the remaining fish in the water. So now tell me how many fish are left. So total 5 fish were there and the penguin ate 2 fish. So 3 fish will be left in the water. Next, introduction. So you have to explain the subtraction, and then all and then it's important to introduce the minus sign to the students. You can use the blackboard or the whiteboard. Then activities. First is using counters. Teacher will give each student a set of 10 counters and then will ask students to place a specific number of counters in front of them. Example 8. Then teacher will say, now let's take away 3 counters. How many counters are left? Students will count the remaining counters out loud to find the answers. Repeat with different numbers. So you can give students button, beads, or any small objects, and then you have to ask students to place uh, any number, like you can say 5 or 6 counters in front of you, and then you have to take away 2 or any number counters you have to take away. So then you will ask students then how many counters are left. So students will answer. Now for the practice, write a few subtraction problems on the board. Example 7 minus 3 is equals to. So allow students to use their counters to solve each problem. Encourage them to share their answers with the class. So you can use any subtraction problems and then can ask students. Flashcard. Teacher will show flashcards with subtraction problems like 5 minus 2, 9 minus 8, 4, and will ask to solve the problems using counters or their fingers. Then teacher will write the correct subtraction sentences on the board. So you can use flashcards. Now, number cards, teacher will work through several subtraction problems as a class using number cards. For example, place the number 8 on the board and then physically remove 2 cards to show subtraction. Now worksheet. Let's subtract the numbers. So students will count the object and then will write the correct answer in these boxes. And also you can ask students to color each different colors in the different objects. Now last is conclusion. So to conclude the chapter, you can ask students that what happened when we subtract. Do we get more or fewer things? Like you have to ask the students, and then you will tell them that subtraction means taking away and the result is a smaller number. So any number you will subtract, the result will be the smaller number from that number. So this is the lesson plan of Introduction to Subtraction. So kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.